After a choppy start to the day, the SPY was driven by inflows. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers. Welcome back. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, testing key resistance levels and breaking out and holding support. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 10:10 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision and our bots and our inflow versus outflow to gain that edge within the volatility and the charts. And we look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So the SPY here was driven by inflows. It broke through the outflow level in the pre-market based off the 5-minute. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run of 2 notes mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to get connected over to our 42 vision indicators, our bull and bear indicators, and our inflow versus outflow. And we look forward to having you join us and getting you connected to receive the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility. So the home run today was from our NVIDIA bot. Our NVIDIA bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:10 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition from the dip area to the rip area in today's volatility. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition on the 15-minute, coming back up to retest that outflow level and breaking out from it from the previous inflow level that has been holding up this chart above 615, and it needed to break back above 617 and break the outflow level of 618 to test new highs. And we're up here at 620. Now, when we go ahead and zoom back into the 5-minute, we could see here how strong those inflows were. It bounced up, that bull indicator followed, and then we had the resistance up here to watch. This is where our inflow versus outflow really adds that perspective of what it is that we're looking for in the charts. And in this example, when it was sitting down here and in the chop, the first level to look at was 618 to 618.60 and how it would react there, and if it would break out even further or go ahead and slow down there to make a rational decision within the possible trade opportunity. And that's what the inflow versus outflow really gave us an edge here to see the strength there of support and the retest and breakout of where we're at now. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first support is 618, and then below that is 617 to 615. If both of those get broken through into the upside, we really don't have an outflow level to look at, even in the larger time frames, because we've broken out the previous highs and we are sitting here at new all-time highs. So we really don't have an outflow up here. Now, the first level I'll be watching to the downside, though, is the supports, and that is 615, 618 to the downside. And then to the upside, the first resistance is to hold up above 620. Then comes 622 and 625. Now, I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicator so we can see the confirmation of the trend and why we continue to hold it up and these pullbacks are not justifiable. So when we look at the SPY, we have multiple bull indicators and full transitions here on multiple time frames, right? The 15 minute is under a bull indicator since down here at 617, the 30 minute as well, 617.50. And then you go all the way out towards the 1 hour, and it's been under a bull indicator here since 613. And the one setting the trend and the strength here, which we broke this down in a previous video, since down here at 598, when it pulled upwards towards 607, we were talking about how important it was for it to find support at 605, get back above 608, 610, and 612, which is how we've ended up here, and how crucial it's been that every time we've pulled back, it's not justifiable because of the strength of the bull indicator, which I'm going to break down. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5 minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600, and to the upside, it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.